Today we are looking at the Place Wonder Oven Pro, an impressive 8-in-1 digital air fryer and countertop oven. It promises to transform your cooking experience with its wide range of functions and sleek design. Check the link in the description for the best price. First, we look at the core cooking performance and versatility of the Wonder Oven. The Wonder Oven Pro shines with its 8 built-in cooking functions, from air frying and baking to proofing and dehydrating. This oven boasts cooking up to 40% faster and reaching 450 degrees Fahrenheit, utilizing premium quartz heating elements and a 360-degree convection system for consistently crisp, even results. With a generous 32 quart capacity and 3 rack levels, the Wonder Oven Pro easily handles everything from meal prepping. The new digital touchscreen panel provides intuitive and precise control over cooking time and temperature, simplifying the cooking process. Overall, this oven brings serious versatility with 8 functions and promises efficient, even cooking across. Next, let's consider the design, overall value, and ownership of the Wonder Oven Pro. This oven features a thoughtfully engineered counter format, boasting premium quartz and stainless steel heating elements, suggesting a robust build. The Wonder Oven Pro comes with a comprehensive suite of premium accessories, including a large bake tray, air fry basket. Priced at $325, the Wonder Oven Pro definitely sits at the higher end for a countertop appliance, meaning you are. While the product brief provides good detail on its many functions and dimensions, important technical specifications like the exact power. In summary, the Wonder Oven Pro has a premium look and comes with useful accessories, though. The Place Wonder Oven Pro stands out as a highly versatile and thoughtfully designed countertop oven. Its extensive cooking functions, fast performance, and generous capacity make it a powerful kitchen companion for many.